Hi everybody!
Welcome to the Cooking Hermit Crab.
Today we're making another Sichuan dish, the pickled fish soup, or in Chinese, 酸菜鱼.
Being part of the Sichuan cuisine, this dish is usually very spicy.
The pickled mustard green really brings out the sour or 酸 taste of the dish, which makes it really savory.
We've simplified the traditional recipe so it's easier to make and healthier, but at the same time still very rich and flavorful.
To make this dish more balanced, we also added a lot of veggies such as Napa cabbage, enoki mushrooms, and shiitake mushrooms.
So let's get started and look at the ingredients.
Here are the ingredients. We're adding just over 500 grams of basa fillet. That is just over 1 pound. And to add some flavors to the soup, we're adding some green onions, ginger, red chili pepper, and garlic. And also we're adding 1 pack of pickled mustard green. For the veggies, we're using some Napa cabbage, enoki mushrooms, some pre-soaked shiitake mushroom, and wood ear mushroom. And to marinate the fish, we're going to add some Shaoxing cooking wine, white pepper, salt, and some cornstarch.
First, I'm going to prepare the fish for marinade. So now we're going to marinate the fish. I'm using half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of white pepper, about 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, and about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And we're going to give it a good mix. And we're going to let this sit in the fridge and marinate while we prepare the rest of the ingredients.
Now everything is chopped up, let's start cooking.
In a lightly oiled pan, we're going to add the ginger, the garlic, and the green onion. We're going to save a little bit for the garnish later. And break about 4 dried red chili peppers. And just give that a good mix until you really start to smell the garlic flavor. So just as the garlic is starting to turn brown, we're going to add in the shiitake mushroom, the wood ear mushroom, and about 2/3 of the pickled mustard greens. And stir it all in. After about 3 to 4 minutes, we're going to add in water. And we're going to add in the Napa cabbage. And we're also going to add in the enoki mushrooms. So once everything is added, we're just going to put the lid on and let it boil. In a lightly oiled pan, we're going to add the fish. And we're going to cook it on both sides until it starts to turn golden brown. And we're using medium to high heat. Now the soup is boiling, we're going to add the basa fillets. So now everything has been boiling for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to go in and add 2 teaspoons of salt.
And the dish is done. Smells really good.
Tasting time!
The soup is really delicious. You can taste the sweetness from the cabbage, the sourness from the pickled mustard green, and some spiciness from the red chili pepper, and they all blend perfectly together.
And the fish is perfectly cooked. It's so tender. And if you decide to make this dish, let us know how it goes in the comments below.
Bye-bye! Or in Chinese, 酸菜鱼.
We've simplified the tradition.